Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, DP Design, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create the assemblies. Okay, so in the assembly it is not actually the we are doing the we are getting the parts and doing the assembly. That's not the assembly. Actually what we are doing in the assembly part, so if you select the section, here it is assembly, there is a blank screen now. Okay, after you have applied the material, you have created the library, you can apply, you have applied the sections. Now there is no part in the assembly. So whatever models or whatever parts you want to add into the simulations. Okay, so let's suppose I required, I have imported the 3 part assembly, but I only require 2. So what I have to do, I have to create the instances. Okay, which will be created from here. Okay, in the assembly, or you can create from instances from here. So I have to create the instance. Let's suppose it will tell me which part. If you have imported the part separately, then it will showcase as a one by one option that which part you have to select. But I have imported the parts into single part body, so it will showcase only one. Okay, so it will ask me whether you have to select as a dependent or a independent. That I will discuss later, because it's completely on the meshing, and also as per your convenience you can create any options. Okay, so that you have to create. Let's say okay, now I can see my material, my instances has been created from whatever parts I have imported. Now this model is ready to getting into the simulation portion. Okay, I have the material will jump in instances. Now the instances, whatever part are coming into the instances, that will be included in those simulations. Okay, so whatever part you have not required in the simulation in taking more time, like it will also get the meshing. Okay, so you can remove one part which is not necessary into the simulation, so or not required, so you can remove that part from the model. So that's how you can create the instances, that is in the assembly option. So you can go to the assembly option and do multiple operations. Like there are totally different option. You can translate the instances. Okay, you can move the instance, you can copy, you can do the boolean operation, you can do the merge edit. Okay, so that you can do select and assist. Okay, if you want to translate this, so you can apply the distance and it will move accordingly. Okay, so just like that you can apply. Generally I don't use this option because I do pre-process, I do modeling properly in the modeling software, and then I will import the part, because it's quite difficult to do this all the operation into the Abaqus. Okay, its UI is little bit complex, so that's why these operations are generally uh, done in the modeling software, proper modeling software. Okay, so that's you have to take care. And yeah, so this option you can select and explore. Okay, so that's it for the video, and keep supporting, keep sharing, keep learning.